I made new friends, and the conference went pretty interesting.
I like that I get to talk with people that are more.
It was an amazing opportunity for me to learn.
I think the amount of interaction there was pretty fun. There were a lot of people here.
I learned about technology, how it's so important in this changing world. At the same time, how we need to be cautious enough while applying those technologies for the betterment of the humanity and also for SDGs.
Um, of a learning machine and how you can use it for your life and social problems.
I learned that there are consequences, I think, to the things that I do. Like in the future, I can't just be using the internet how I currently am.
Specifically about like what goes into machine learning and the risks that can go into machine learning, such as like perspective of data and like the different types of data, how you can influence how machine learning works, and how you can use machine learning to help everyday life get easier. I think computer science, which is already like a subject in school, but I think they should add more emphasis on machine learning, like as like a whole unit.
Of course, I think that is the most important thing. Like technology, maybe I can reach more people. I can facilitate people's lives.
Honestly, hard work.
Like enjoyment of general life, like just like nature, and just enjoying life, being happy,